In this video, we will learn how we can generate a QR code for any survey. First, we will generate a survey form. Then, we will create a QR code for that survey form. You can skip the first part using timestamp if you already have a survey form. To generate a survey form, we will use Google Forms. You can visit the following address and sign in using your Gmail account. Then, click here on the blank form. Next, you need to add the title of your survey. We are creating a survey form for a cafe. Then, you can add a short description in the description field. Now, start adding the survey questions. First, add a question. Then, you can choose the question type. In this example, we are choosing the rating. It allows user to rate us using 5 stars. You can make this required. So, user must answer this question to continue. Then, click plus icon to add more question. For this question, we are choosing multiple choices. Then, add the multiple choices. Again, click the plus icon for more question. Once done, you can see the responses in the responses tab. Here, you can click link to sheets to link the responses to Google Sheets. So, you can review each response in this sheet. Next, click settings. Here, you can adjust the settings as per your needs. Once done, you click here on the publish button. Next, now you can shorten this URL and copy it. Next, to generate a QR code for survey form, visit the following site, qrgenerator.org. It offers both static and dynamic QR code. We recommend dynamic QR code so that you can adjust the URL without need to reprint the QR code and also to track the number of scans. But for this demo video, we are generating static QR code. To generate the QR code, choose the correct type link and add the form link in the link field. The QR code will be generated automatically. You can customize it if you like to. Click Save and download in your desired format. Now, our QR code is ready. In this part, we will generate a poster or sign for our survey form. As we generated a QR for survey for our cafe, so we are designing a sign using Canva. You can download this template from the link in the description. Once downloaded, you can upload on Canva. Then again, you can upload the QR code we just generated. Place it in the center. Now it's ready. It's time to scan. We will scan it using Scan QR app. You can download using the link in description. Let's see how this QR code will work. You can see as I scanned, it takes us to the survey form. So any user who scans this form will be able to leave the feedback for your business or any other purpose. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.